Number 1. This 1970 Ford F-150 regular cab, priced at $5,900, offers a classic driving experience with some recent upgrades that make it a great value. Powered by a 351 V8 engine, this truck runs strong and handles well, though it has a minor alignment issue. It features newly converted front disc brakes for improved stopping power, and Ranchero RS 5000 shocks all around for a smoother ride. The exterior shows some rust, particularly in the bed floor, but the truck's overall body remains solid. Inside, you'll find modern touches such as an AM/FM Bluetooth radio paired with new speakers installed in the doors and dash, offering an updated audio experience. This truck is a two-wheel drive model, ideal for those seeking a reliable and rugged classic pickup. Number 2. This 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $7,000, is a rare find with only 33,598 original miles, making it a well-preserved classic. Powered by the legendary 225 Slant 6 engine, often dubbed the Leaning Tower of Power, this car is known for its durability and reliability. Despite its age, the engine runs perfectly, ready to offer years of trouble-free driving. The interior is nearly immaculate, with just a small tear in the back seat, but overall, it's in great shape. The exterior will need a fresh coat of paint, but once done, you'll have a stunning vintage car at an affordable price. The seller has included brand new tires and extra parts in the sale, making it even more valuable. While the wipers currently don't work, a new motor and wipers come with the car for an easy fix. Additional features include boxes of spare parts, perfect for anyone looking to maintain this classic. The seller is motivated, offering a flexible price and eager to sell due to an upcoming move and lack of parking space. This Dodge Dart Swinger is an excellent opportunity for any classic car enthusiast looking to own a piece of automotive history. Number 3. This 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Custom, priced at $10,500, has been meticulously maintained and comes with several upgrades that enhance both its performance and style. Powered by a ZZ4 engine and paired with a professionally built 700R4 transmission, this sedan offers a smooth and powerful driving experience. The car features an SS dash and a tilt steering wheel for added comfort. On the exterior, the vehicle includes NOS, new old stock, quarter panels and front fenders along with good used doors, all of which contribute to its classic look. The trim is included in the sale, allowing for further customization by the new owner. Additionally, the car has been equipped with a new dual exhaust system, enhancing its sound and performance. With an excellent frame, floor, and bed, this Malibu is a solid vehicle with a clean title in hand. It's ready for its next owner to enjoy or continue customizing. Due to circumstances, it must be sold, making this a fantastic opportunity for a classic car enthusiast. Number 4. This 1979 Plymouth Horizon TC3, priced at $5,500, has been meticulously maintained and improved to ensure it remains in excellent condition. Powered by a fuel-efficient engine, this compact car delivers around 30 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for daily driving. The Horizon is equipped with front-wheel drive, providing reliable performance even in winter conditions. All rust spots on the vehicle have been carefully repaired, ensuring that rust is no longer an issue. The interior is in great shape and has been well preserved, reflecting the car's low mileage. With these updates and maintenance, this Horizon TC3 offers exceptional value, and the price is firm, given the extensive work done to enhance its longevity and performance. Number 5. This 1957 Ford Custom 300 sedan, priced at $6,500, hails from Arizona and is a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed column shift transmission, this vehicle offers a nostalgic driving experience. The brakes have been recently replaced, and the clutch is in good condition. Despite a less-than-perfect paint job, this car is 95% rust-free and remains fully drivable as is. The interior is complete, providing a solid foundation for any restoration or customization efforts. If you're looking for a classic car that runs well and has minimal rust, this 1957 Ford Custom 300 could be the ideal project. The owner is eager to sell and open to offers. No trades will be considered, so act quickly if you're interested in this piece of automotive history. Number 6. This 1975 Ford Mustang II Coupe 2D, priced at $6,900, is a classic offering with several noteworthy attributes. Powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine, this Mustang II features a transmission that is still in good condition. The vehicle has accumulated 16,742.9 miles and is currently experiencing a low battery, so it will require a tow or trailer for transportation. Despite needing some minor attention, this Mustang II retains its charm and is an excellent candidate for restoration or a classic car collection. Number 7. This 1977 Ford F-150 regular cab, priced at $3,500, is a well-maintained truck that arrived in working condition from Mexico. Powered by its original automatic transmission and equipped with power steering, this classic truck is a great candidate for a project. It features air conditioning, although the compressor and a hose are currently missing. The truck was initially intended for a project, but the seller needs to part with it. The truck is a solid option for someone looking to restore or upgrade a classic vehicle. Number 8. This 1982 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $7,500, is a standout classic truck in excellent condition. Powered by a 400 small block engine with a small cam, this C10 short wide is paired with a TH400 transmission for robust performance. The truck features a steel cowl hood and rally wheels, enhancing its classic appeal. The vehicle is in really good shape, making it a solid option for enthusiasts. The owner is looking to sell or trade for an LS-powered vehicle, a hot rod, or a newer Tacoma. This truck is a great find for those interested in classic trucks with a potential upgrade or trade option. Number 9. This 1970 Mercury Monterey, priced at $4,000, offers an excellent foundation for a project car. Though currently non-operable, it only needs minor work to get back on the road. This classic Mercury features an all-original interior, which is still in good condition, making it a solid choice for restoration enthusiasts. The exterior remains in fair shape, and a clean title adds to the car's appeal. A custom speaker box in the trunk is designed to accommodate 4 15-inch speakers, enhancing its potential for a standout audio system. With a little effort, this Monterey could become a head-turning classic cruiser. If you're looking for a great project car, this Mercury Monterey is perfect. The owner simply lacks the time to complete the work, making it a prime opportunity for someone ready to take on a restoration project. At $4,000 or best offer, this deal is hard to pass up. Number 10. This 1964 Mercury Comet, priced at $6,200, is located in El Paso, Texas, and is in excellent running and driving condition. While the car only has minor cosmetic details that need attention, and the interior requires some work, it has undergone significant maintenance, with many new parts installed. This classic vehicle retains its original charm, but has seen plenty of upkeep to ensure a smooth driving experience. The exterior showcases the car's timeless design, and while the interior needs some attention, it's a great opportunity for those who want to add their personal touch. This Mercury Comet is being sold for $6,200, cash only, with no trades considered. A rare find in such good mechanical condition, it's perfect for anyone seeking a well-maintained classic with room for customization. Number 11. This 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, priced at $4,500, is a true gem for truck enthusiasts. Powered by a newly built V8 383 engine, delivering around 480 horsepower, this truck has less than 100 miles on the build, making it practically brand new under the hood. Initially intended as a farm truck, this project is now up for sale due to time constraints. The seller emphasizes the cash-only deal with no offers or payments accepted, asking $4,500, which is already below the investment in the engine alone. Located in Toledo, Ohio, the truck comes with a clean title, ready for its next owner to finish and enjoy. This vehicle is perfect for someone looking for a powerful truck with plenty of potential to customize further. Number 12. This 1961 Ford F-100 short bed truck, priced at $5,800, is a solid foundation for a restoration project. Powered by a 292 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and stops, but is best suited as a great project truck for someone looking to restore a classic. This truck comes from Oklahoma, featuring a solid frame, body panels, and bed, all key components in excellent condition. While it currently drives, it's recommended to trailer it for transport due to its project-ready status. The potential of this truck lies in its solid base and iconic design, making it an ideal canvas for enthusiasts looking to bring this piece of history back to life. Serious buyers only, as this truck offers a unique opportunity for customization and restoration. Number 13. This 1971 Chevrolet El Camino 350, priced at $7,300, offers a strong foundation with a number of notable upgrades and features. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch crate engine with a matching block, paired with a 400 turbo 3-speed transmission. This El Camino comes equipped with power brakes and power steering, ensuring a smooth driving experience. The car runs, drives, and sounds incredible, making it a true classic on the road. The frame and body are solid, though it could benefit from sanding and a fresh coat of paint. Several body panels have been replaced to remove any rust, and new floor pans have been installed. Additionally, a new bed floor pan is included, ready to be installed. Inside, the car features new seats in good condition, though the door panels are not currently installed. However, they are included with the sale for the next owner to complete. This vehicle is a great option for anyone looking for a classic El Camino with solid mechanics and a few finishing touches needed to make it shine. Number 14. The 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix GT Coupe you're describing sounds like a classic gem for collectors or enthusiasts of vintage American muscle cars. Here's a breakdown of what you're getting for the asking price. At key highlights: 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J, mileage 54,000 original miles. Engine 400-400 combo, likely referring to a 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 400 turbo hydromatic transmission. Ownership: one owner car with full documentation. Condition: mechanical, runs and drives well. AC works, but needs Freon. Exterior: original paint, though old and failing, will need a repaint. Interior: 9/10 with some wear on the driver's seat, OEM material included for repair. Body: no rot, with near-perfect frame, floors, and trunk. Aftermarket wheels shown do not come with the car, but the original factory wheels, need 14-inch tires, are included. Location: Paris, Illinois. Pros: low mileage for the age, all original with full documentation, mechanically sound with working lights, good structure, no rot, and a near-perfect trunk and frame. Interior is well preserved. Aside from the minor seat issue, fair price for a classic car with potential, especially given the rarity of all original, one-owner vehicles. Cons: paint is in poor condition and will require a complete repaint. AC needs service, low on Freon. Driver's seat needs repair, but the OEM material is included. The price of $16,500 OBO seems reasonable given the car's condition and its potential value after some restoration work. This could be a great project car for someone who appreciates its history and classic design. Number 15. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $5,000, comes equipped with a freshly built 355 engine, 350 bored .030 over, paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The Vortec heads enhance performance, giving this car a powerful and smooth sound. Though it runs and drives well, the seller recommends trailering it home to ensure roadworthiness. The body is overall straight, with some minor rust underneath behind the shackles, and small spots on the lower panels that need attention. The Nova's exterior retains its classic charm, with doors and the trunk opening and closing smoothly, just like new. Inside, the front bench seat shows some separation of the vinyl, but the back seat is in good shape, and the interior is largely complete, except for the missing driver door armrest. However, it could benefit from new weather stripping. Additional equipment that comes with the car includes extra leaf springs, neoprene bushings, and new body reinforcement bars, providing plenty of potential for future upgrades. While this nearly 50-year-old car isn't perfect, it offers a solid foundation for a restoration project at a reasonable price. First come, first serve, with no lowball offers or trades considered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. See you in the next video.